why your email marketing clicks are incorrect. When we send out an email marketing campaign, the first place we look at to measure success is the clicks section of your analytics. Many of us just look at the headline figure. If it looks good, we don't investigate any further. Have you ever noticed though that sometimes your clicks look significantly high, or that you seem to have lots of clicks within minutes of sending out your campaign? This can be because your clicks have been falsely triggered by the activity of a spam filter. Over the past years, spam filters have started checking the validity of clickable links contained within emails for inboxes they are protecting. Whilst it's great that they're verifying that clickable links are valid and safe, the problem for us email marketeers is that they can falsely trigger a click to be recorded. This false click is recorded because they're engaging with your email in pretty much the same way that a person would. So your email marketing software may end up recording all of these and grouping them all in a group with a legitimate click activity. Clicks recorded in this way are named as ghost clicks. They can be incredibly frustrating for us email marketeers as they totally skew our stats. They also make it really hard to segment out real clicks. This means that we then can't follow them up. If you're using decent email marketing software, such as Email Blaster, then there's good news. Your software supplier will have ways to address this. Here at Email Blaster, we've been able to successfully identify these ghost clicks. This means that we're able to filter them out for you. Our software gives you the ability to switch this filtering off or on. By toggling this activity, you can then see the number of ghost clicks and the number of genuine clicks. So, when you next look at your email marketing stats, be sure to be on the lookout for ghost clicks. If you're not already an Email Blaster user, then you're welcome to open a free account and explore the great features and benefits that our software can offer. Now, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and be sure to check out some of the other videos on our channel.